I have a Gulf Coast spa, model LK7000, with a Gekco equipment package. Gulf Coast is out of business. I'm hoping you can answer my question. Frequently the display shows Rhnf, water not flowing, however the pump is working and the jets are working. The temp does fall about 2 to 3 degrees over a 15 minutes period when this error message is displayed. After a while the system corrects itself and the error message goes away and the heater brings the temp back to its set position. So, what is wrong? Why is this happening and what can be done to fix the problem?
Your particular Gekco system uses a remote heater called an in.therm. It is a sealed unit and contains both the temp sensors and sensor for detecting flow. The first thing to check and double check is that the flow from the pump connected to the heater, pump 1, is flowing properly on low and high speeds. Check to be sure the water level is always above the filter tops even with all pumps running. Remove any filters temporarily when troubleshooting to eliminate them as the cause of a flow restriction. If the flow is good and consistent, turn the power off, then find the heater power wire, RH, and the smaller communication wire, RH, and unplug them. Turn the power on and wait for the tub to come on. If the plugs and pins on the cord ends look good, plug the smaller communication cord back in. You should hear a click if the pump is circulating. Scroll the temp down below the current water temp to shut the heater power off and plug the larger power cord back in firmly. Activate all pumps and other equipment on/off and turn the power off once again. Now restart the tub without filters and with proper water level. Update me on what happens. There are no serviceable parts inside the heater assembly. If the problem continues to occur and the pump is flowing consistently, replacing the in.therm heater assembly is the next step.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.